Hello student. Now we will start our next unit, steam generator. The topic covered in this unit is classification of boiler, boiler details, requirement of a good boiler, merits and demerits of fire tube boiler as well as water tube boiler mounting, boiler accessories, boiler draught, classification of draught, natural draught, efficiency of the chimney, draught losses, types of boiler draughts, performance of boiler, evaporation, equipment evaporation, boiler efficiency, boiler trial and heat balance, and introduction to IBR, Indian Boiler Act. Now, what is steam generator? A steam generator or boiler is a closed vessel to transfer the heat produced by the combustion of fuel to water and ultimately to generate steam. The steam generator, a large apparatus for converting hot water into steam at higher pressure and often with supplementary coils to superheat the steam. A steam generator is a device that uses a heat sources to boil the liquid water and convert it into a vapor phase, referred to as a steam. The heat may be derived from the combustion of fuels such as coal, petroleum, fuel oils, natural gas, municipal waste or biomass, nuclear fusion reactor and other sources. The steam produced may be supplied to the steam engine and turbines at low pressure for industrial work in cotton mills, sugar factories, printing presses, textile industry and etc. Now, steam boiler. What is steam boiler? A steam boiler is a power generation device used for generating the steam by applying the heat energy to water. A steam boiler is a steam producing heating system. It produces energy by heating water to create the steam. A steam boiler burns the fuel to heat water. The combination of heat and water produces steam. The steam boiler are defined by their construction, portability, types of tube, types of fuels, and pressure they produce. Generally, a steam boiler is a type of closed container designed with a steel for heating the water to generate steam by some energy sources like burning of fuel with eventually. The vapor generated may be delivered at low pressure for industrial progression work in sugar industry. Now, the function of steam boiler. The main function of steam boiler is to producing or storing the vapor. Now, the main function of steam boiler is producing the vapor. The liquid contained boiler is nothing but a shell and heat energy produced while burning of a fuel will be moved to water and then it converts into steam at required pressure as well as temperature. The main condition of this boiler mainly include the water container should lock very carefully. The vapor of water should be supplied in preferred condition, namely quality, rate, pressure and temperature. Now next, the steam boiler working principle. The main working principle of a steam boiler is easy. The boiler is one of one type of closed device in shape of cylindrical. The capacity of boiler to have the steam as well as water is sufficient. Generally, the liquid are stored in the boiler for generating steam by burning the fuels or applying the heat energy at different condition of pressure based on size of vessel as well as specification. Finally, the steam in the boiler supplies using a pipe and flow into various industry like plants. Now, advantage of steam boiler. The advantage of steam boiler are as follows. First, the construction cost of this boiler is low. Second, the boiler use any kind of chimney. The boiler occupies the less floor area it should be portable, that means it should be it should be carefully handled, and it has the self enclosed boiler. Now disadvantage of steam boiler. The disadvantage of boiler are included the following. The design of the steam boiler is vertical, so the capacity of steam rising is low. It is limited pressure and capacity. The cleaning and examination of this boiler are difficult. Means the cleaning of boiler is difficult. And fourth, it requires the high head space because it is vertical, so it requires the high head space. Now, application of steam boiler. These are used to generate the power in steam turbine and steam engines. These are used for various process in process industry, and these are used in houses of buildings in cool weather for generating the hot water supply. Now next topic, the selection of steam boiler. How we can select a good steam boiler? Different factors are considered for selecting the proper boilers. First, the power and working pressure required, and how much power and how much working pressure is required, so that we can find a particular boiler. The rate at which steam is to be generated. These factors, the fuels types and water available, comparative initial cost, the portable load factor, the geographical position of powerhouse, operating and maintenance cost. These are the various factors are considered for selecting a particular steam boiler. Now, essential of a good steam boiler. The good boiler should possess the following features. Quality of steam. It should produce the quality of steam efficiently as per the requirements. Second, quick starting. The boiler should be quick starting. At any condition, the boiler should be of quick starting. Light in weight. It should be light in weight. Small space. It should occupy the small space. Non-accumulate the water deposit. The tube should not accumulate the water deposit and should have the reasonable margin of strain to allow the wear or corrosion. Fluctuation of demand. It should rapidly meet the fluctuation of the demand. Seventh, easy for inspection. The boiler should be easy for inspection and repair. It should be repaired easily when it faults. Then safety regulation. It should be compiled with the safety regulation as laid down in the Boiler Act. Then install. It should be easily to install. Then it should be transferable. Yani a boiler should be easily transferred from one place to another place whenever required. And 11, less attention, and it should, when the boiler is in operation, it should be required the less attention. These are the essential characteristics for a good steam boiler. Now next, importance terms for steam boiler. Following are the important terms used in the steam boiler. First, boiler shell. It is made from the metal plates bent into the cylindrical form. The ends of the shell are closed by means of end plates. The boiler shell is designed to have sufficient capacity to contain water and steam as per requirement. Then second terms, combustion chamber. It is the space meant for burning the fuel in order to produce the hot gases or fuels which transfer heat to water. Then third, grate. It is a platform in the combustion chamber on which fuel is burned. The grate consists of cast iron bars which are spaced apart so that the air required for combustion can passes through them. Then fourth, furnace. It is the space above the grate in which fuel is actually burned. The furnace is also called as firebox. Then fifth, mounting. These are the essential fittings which are mounted on boiler for its proper functioning. Example, water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valves, etc. The boiler cannot function safely without mounting. And then last, accessories. These are devices which improve the efficiency of boiler. They are not essential for the operation of boiler, but they play important role to run the boiler efficiently. Some of the example of accessories are superheaters, economizer, feed pump, etc.